I probably work them out because I can't bother with the
Read me.
yeah. All right. It's a 5 times the sum of a number and 7 increased by thrice the number can be written as.
So I was thinking of I don't know. I think of B. I don't know if you're right.
You think that right? Cause look what say. All right. This is the first thing. One mark on it.
I break up.
You're not hearing me?
You're breaking up.
Okay. The more I turn up this, the more I see it go down. But me I hear it clear. It's like the up button I turn down. How is this? Oh, what difference?
Computer malfunction.
Yeah, you can buy me an apple for Christmas here.
God. Then me not buy nothing. I have Thursday.
All right. So wait you know, it's a 5 times the sum of a number. So I could call the number x. That's the first thing, right?
5 times 5.
And then it's a 5 times
So 5.
sum. 5 times the sum of a number. But it's a sum. That means you add something.
You exit. And it's a 7 increase. So plus 7.
Let me just say increase by 7.
Well, I get the drift. 7. So that's 7. Where you Jesus say?
Oh, 7.
Your brain are there.
You're there, man. I told you just a start, man. Nobody said that.
Alright, so go on.
And then
it say thrice the number.
Can be written as.
So sir, no x.
It'll be 3x. Let's say plus 3x.
Plus 3x?
Yeah, because it's a thrice the number. The question full, you know, structure good. But this
so A.
Hold on. 5 times the sum. And 5 times the sum.
Of a number.
A then. A full question this. Where's a number one? Huh? Idiot them. Nah, this them still. The variable in the expression 1 plus x squared is. That's a 1, right? That's the other one. That kind of obvious.
So why so once you ask the variable the one whole number.
Yeah, the number.
Sorry, suppose so when you ask terms, it would have be x squared.
You say you ask what?
Term.
All of them are term, you know. It's just that, well,
Yes,
this is one constant.
I ask the term.
But hold on, this is one constant.
So are the coefficients?
The coefficient are like when a number in front of it.
So like that's a 2x.
Yeah, so the 2 is a really something. Well, on the camera, let me check something.
So you see why you can't see me message though? Cause you have too much message in your Gmail. So why you do with 20,000 add message? No wonder why you can't see me message.
Why you look this so far? This I answer, this is one constant, so this is a bit the variable. Yo.
So I see.
Yeah.
Sorry,
if a number is in front of it, that would have been
Sorry, so it's the variable one letter.
Yeah, x. X will be the something.
So 1x would be the constant, the coefficient.
1, it'll be not 1x, 1.
So our coefficient, sir?
Any number in front of x that are a coefficient. So like this, the coefficient are 3. If a 4x, the coefficient are 4. Sometimes. All right. So real maths, you know. It says simplify the expression 5 minus 3x minus 4, right? So we expand the bracket first. So this
So,
is
be 5x. There you go.
no, we get 5x. You only multiply by negative.
No, 3x minus 12.
Or you get minus 12. Remember, negative 3.
Positive 10, positive 12, and then minus 5.
Minus 5. Look, remember I said this is plus 5, yeah.
Sir, the 5, the 3, I must say 2, I put the minus, I say 5 minus the 3, so minus 3.
See that add the 5, right? Because a plus 5 then.
Sir, so yeah, right, don't know.
The answer. So that'll be 3x. 12 plus 5 hours, 17.
So yeah, the answer.
So A. Then can be tricky, you know. Just pay attention to the sign. Very important. Miss Johnson asks her student to classify a set of objects into 2 groups so that no more than 7 objects are placed in each. If P represents the number of items in each group, which of the following statement represent Miss Johnson's request? Call the letter.
P.
We say whether A or B or C. Where you gonna P?
Sir, I think Miss Johnson asked her students to classify an set of objects into 2 groups so that no more than
7.
Say that be C, sir.
All right. So it can be 7, you know.
So it'll be D, then P are equal to 7.
All right. You see, fact that is say the groups that know more than 7, it means you can have 7. So you can include 7. So this now, either the options that get either this, right? However, you see with this one, are less than 7. So that one here that be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on, right? But this one now includes 7. And it said no more than 7. So you can have up to 7 in a group, but you can have more than. It can
be more than 7.
Yeah.
Get you, sir. Get you.
All right. That one here says now, which equation best describes the relationship between the values of x and y shown? So it's like, yeah, go say which one of them here give all of them numbers when you put x in the equation. Yeah, I'm sure it's something. So where are you? Yeah, you plug them figure them number here in each.
Negative.
We can eliminate that one here. Because negative 1 minus 5.
I got here negative 6.
Thank you. So you can eliminate that one there. What about that one here? 2 ones, 2. 2 times.
Sir,
No, you can't jump to the conclusion this so quick.
Sir, me check the 0, 1, 2.
Oh, you check for 2? 2 twos.
Yeah, give negative 5. 2 twos are 4. Minus 5 give negative 1.
Okay.
And then 2 minus 4 minus 5 give 3, sir.
All right.
So
hit then. Good job. All right. Let's see what's going on. It's a find for the formula v plus u squared is equal to 2.
Sorry.
V is equal to. It means Jesus, Gabriel. It means you must make you the subject of the formula, right? So you gotta have everything. Whoa, me G. Hey, come on, me G. Me dey on some work here. Yeah, no say a word. So we're gonna solve for this, right? So that'll be v plus u squared equal 2ad. But on this alone, we have to get rid of. Because, yeah. So what the inverse are plus u squared.
Minus.
Thank you. And you've done this one. So that'll be 2ad minus u squared. And I u that. Let me see what you answer there.
D. No, D, a B, sir.
Let's see square. Okay, yeah, B. So you have to look carefully, you know. See how many circle D? I never remember the U is square. All right. If m is equal to -4, which of the following expression has the smallest value? So you're gonna work out all of them, right? All right.
So that's
yeah, no, you don't have to work it out. It'll be this. Because this is going to be -64.
Hold on, let's say. Hold on, yeah. Hold on, let's say.
What we are hold on for? All right, look. Remember, I said, yes, when I add, this is like m to the, wait, no? Let me show you why it have to be this.
Yes, sir, a -64.
Exactly.
Rest of them
Which other number I go hear that? No other number. A multiple choice, no, you don't want to waste your time. I work out everything.
We are sorry.
You can put -4 divided by 3. That's a negative.
No, sir. That's a gonna be. Sure.
All right. What number is?
I want me to number it now, sir.
Which hands up it?
Yeah, sir, but yeah, me have to work you out.
All right.
God, sir. So I'm gonna go. All right, so. Oh.
God, that's a mighty God of Daniel. What a love.
You can't bother enough, sir. You can't bother enough. You can't bother with them more. But that give me So I wish no figure 3. That'll be -5 plus 2, no, 5, and -2. Yeah, -2 plus 5, yeah, 3. +3. -2 plus 5 minus 10.
Done? I don't hear the answer come for. I'm going to write it out.
Yes, sir, I'm done. I'm done has goal. X plus 5, x minus 2.
All right. We see if actually we have time. So this will be -10, right? And you have 1 and 10. That's what me.
No, sir, but it figure +3. So it'll be -2 and 5 give +3.
I knew, but we are this.
When the times 2 times 5 is -10. -2 times 5.
Awesome student. So you have to have confidence, man. One for you.
I heard.
All right, so that'll be x, come on, and then you have x plus 5. And then now we take out the minus, the highest number will be 2, right? And then you have x, -10 divided by -2 will give positive. So you are correct. So that'll be x plus 5 and x minus 2. Share it down, my friend. Big up yourself. Yeah.
That's a B, sir, B answer.
All right. Number 10, I say. In the set, -1, 7, 0, -3, 0, 1 and 10, 0 and 7, the ranges. Let me get in the range of the Y value. All right, so let's make a look on it. That's the Y.
Sir, yeah.
Hold on, my friend. This, each one of them here are the range. So this.
So we're on there. So -1, so
No, -1 included.
But no, sir, we know, sir. Me I work it, me I do it outside. So that be 7, -3, 10 and 7, so I be.
Yeah.
Oh, so the range of the Y value them.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Thanks for telling me. Next time, I know if I see it in the exam, I say range, I know that way. So, sir, so what else then could I ask you?
The domain.
And domain a X.
Yeah.
All right.
The domain a X, and then range a Y. So that most of the time in CSEC, them give you the domain and you have to calculate the range. Because I watch my channel, I talk about them something here, but hey, it's okay, you know.
What's that?
3x minus 4x plus 5.
X, let's see something.
Don't look on the answer and just work out the question.
So I'm not look on the answer. So about a 3, then already in the like terms. So that be X. So how would that go?
Don't tell me answer.
So X plus 5, me get, I don't know. I don't have to my answer on the screen.
Because your answer not right. So that's why it's not on the screen.
So you work this out. I already in the like terms. I don't know.
My friend, you can't text already. You're on the moon then already. Yo, when me married, you know. My wife can't text for no phone for 2 weeks straight. That me I tell you. Yeah, man, big up yourself, big up my friend. Enjoy your wedding night. Big up yourself. You're official now. Sorry about that. Me have to wipe by nothing, friend. All right. So look, 3x minus 4x. Can you take away 4 from 3?
No, I can't take her for France.
So the most minus x then plus 5. Them smart, you know. So this is a minus x and this is positive, so it can work. If you turn on this is the same thing. Once the sign is in front of it, are the same thing. All right. So this is A.
I love trick people.
No, them not trick you. The answer they there. You have to reason it out. All right. All right. Roy saving to buy a new bike. I guess after Christmas. A new bike costs $258. He has $16 towards his purchase. Express how much more Roy needs in the form of an equation. So let's write down the information. No matter thing too hard, right? So him say Roy is saving a bike which costs $258. So that's how it him go. That's how it equal to, right? He has $16 towards it. So that's how we have so far. And the answer must equal to this.
So that be.
Go ahead.
So that be x plus 16 figure the if we get it 200 now.
Very good. You are awesome, girl. You are a math genius. All right, good. Just read them more one time, but I don't go answer nothing. All right. It said from the graph. But I don't see nothing shaded though. Oh, Jesus. I guess I over here, so.
So at the part with a negative 2, 5.
Over here, so right?
Shaded region, yeah.
All right, so over here, so I could just mark it up. And it said, from the graph below, the shaded region represent, is it y less than 3x? I guess this, the point here 4, because that are the, obviously every one of them will say that are the y-axis. We cut the y-axis, right? So the graph at 3x plus 4. Oh, the line of board. All right, I want to tell you about this. I'm not even pressure you too much. You see, if the line goes so,
Understand now, see my. Oh,
if it goes so, are less than or equal to, right? Over here, so less than sign this.
Oh, so if the line goes for less than.
Yeah, less than or equal to. But you see if it do so, you see space between.
A greater?
No,
Wow.
just less. Look, this are less than or greater than or equal to.
What on this say? The line here less than the straight
Well,
line
no,
are
the
less
line
than.
no nothing, man. I just did me I try to show you say if the line is not broken, it's equal to also. Whether it greater than or equal to. You understand?
Right.
Yeah. So if it is like this, a less than alone. Once you see it broken like this, it means that it does less than. You get it now?
I heard say that be.
So over here, so less than the graph. Yeah, but greater than greater. Let me do this messed up.
So I want to mind some similar question like this and bring to mind.
I guess over here so shaded, right? Yeah, sure.
Sorry, so now you don't see it to share the regions.
Yeah. So that'll be
A.
that'll be less. No, this are less. No, these are greater than. No, these are less than 2. Sure. Yeah.
God.
If you did straight like this, it'll be this.
Less than or equal.
Yeah. But if it's a bit above the graph, it shouldn't be greater than.
What is it say?
I wonder. All right, you come back to that if anything.
Wait, go back to it, gone too far.
All right. You see everything, right? The set of ordered pairs 2, 4, 3, 6, and 8, 6 is defined by the function. Which one of them can get this? Which one of them function? Right?
Can give us, sir.
Them values here. These are x.
God, so
And
I
this
forgot
one
what to do.
No man, just inspect it. Is it x squared? How did they get the 4? How did they get the 6? How did they use the 8 to get 16?
Say. And the x square, sir.
All right, so move to the next one. Is it x plus 2?
Nope.
Is it half x?
So no half x.
Yes, it's a 2x. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 8 times 2, 16. All right, number 14. It's a 4 over 3x plus 3 over x expressed as a single fraction.
So I go down, me see.
No, work it out. No matter go down there. Think I spice this.
Say,
Work
as
out this something.
more, say as more, see. So, I heard ya. Sorry, so first up number and seven.
If I get this, can you find the LCM? Right? You find
Sir,
it?
the LCM at 3x, right?
Yeah, so why I suppose.
Sir, sir.
Oh, you say it's a 7. I think you say. I don't know what you say. Yeah. All right, so the LCM would be 3x. It's probably the only one of 3x. No. 13.
Yes, sir.
No, it's 3x with 13. All right, you can stay there. Make sure you look for all of the answer there.
Sorry, so all them when I get 30. Hold on.
3 into itself
3 into
one
3
time.
go one time.
4. Same thing. X into this left 3. Same thing. Same thing. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Tell us how much this. You take nothing for granted.
All right.
How much? Them tricky. Go over them more than one time, all right? The value of x in the following simultaneous equation is?
God. Then they really are gonna make us sit down and this.
Then that's not easy to find, dear.
So, but it takes time.
Don't take no time.
All right, yeah. All right. So, yeah, get rid of that. So, my next equation.
Yes, you say it's straightforward. Why you can't see that? Why you fail to see that? You remember me just start teacher this, me I show you first. Me say if them here are the same and the sign them different.
Where me, my fear?
If them here are the same,
Sir,
coefficient are the same, and the signs are different, how can we get rid of y?
yeah.
So hard 3 plus 2, no 5x. You make maths look so hard. X them ask if I know. And then 9 plus 11, that's 20.
Sir, sir, sir,
Yeah, but me don't want you to take so long to do them here. Good job anyway, but chop.
Sir.
All right, the other one here. Fast. Let's go.
This, sir. Sure. 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 Sir, I know.
Tell me why value x.
Yeah, then I say. Sir, I'm not see screen again. Due to all, you just make the screen gone.
Yeah, see it now?
Sir, the value of x are 3.
So it takes so long. 2, 3, 6.
I'm not see the screen, sir, so I couldn't tell the answer.
So 2, 3, 6 plus 1, 7. If you want to do the fancy something, 9, 2.
I'm not doing no fancy things, sir.
You work out in a bracket first. So just try them number here. 7, 9, and 63. You're supposed to get the bracket, supposed to work out to 7. It must have done why they may come back. The result of trebling a number and subtracting 5 is the same as doubling a number and adding 9. So you say the result of trebling a number, so you treble it.
I triple that.
A trebling is a triple. So I guess that 3 times it, not so?
Boy. Here it's -5. is the same as doubling a number adding 9.
So have to be D, you know, no matter what you look on the rest of it. D catch my eye and I just say have D. Because look, you treble it, which is 3 times it, minus 5, double it, and add 9. Them here, if you square a number and double it, you know. Try know that. Only 2, if you square it, you double it. But what about 3? 3 double is 6. And if you square it at 9. So more reason now tomorrow, all right? Are you my father? All right. Which of the following set of...
So I can come in on my brain tomorrow. Come in on my brain, no?
Yeah, teach you everything. So you're good. You're good to go. Just relax, read them over, and no matter as you see an answer, you run the circle. Look if you make any error, all right? Which of the following set of ordered pair does not satisfy the function 3x plus 2y equals 7? So you don't have to do trial and error for this.
So I say I go put them in.
Yeah.
Why me at
So 3 times 3 is negative 9.
Minus.
No, plus 2, 8, 16. So minus 9 plus 8, that true.
Add that, sir, add that.
Girl, he said does not. You know, read it something. No? So
sir,
one day they were
say,
3 they were right. So one of them not right.
Sir, me say, sure. Can't have to explain myself, you know, so. That's a good.
Have to be B, you know.
Sir, me never ask you. Yes, sir. Sir, I say, have to be B?
Of course. Can you look on that?
Oh, I be, sir, I be.
Jesus.
Sir, me can't believe it.
Yeah, better bother. If the equation of the straight line is represented by 4x equal to minus 2y, the gradient of the line is? Let me show you something. I come never teach you this before. Let me just see it. All right, so we have this 4x equal to minus 2y. So the first thing, every straight line equation is in the form of this: y equal mx plus c, where m is the gradient, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to make y the subject of the formula. So that 2 here, we are going to get rid of that 2 here, right? Right. I'm going to rewrite it. I put this out there for make you can see. But you never know, so you can do math. So can turn on the question. So now you have solved for y. So I get rid of that 2 here. So minus 2. And then now we divide by a negative 2. So 4 divided by negative 2. Remember now, this is the gradient. This we are focused on. So it's a negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2.
Negative 2.
You will negative 2. Upon that one here now, I'm interested in this now. I want to see where you are going to do this now.
Tell me how you pan.
I'll cover the first thing. Girl, tell me the answer and stop for me how you pan. Now you be tell me the answer. That me how you pan.
What's that, sir? I can't be how you pan.
Alright, what bracket mean?
How you pan.
Let me rewrite it and make you do it.
I don't know. Bracket me out multiple.
Of course, I'm multiple.
So, 4
and negative 16, right? When the base are the same, you add the powers. So it'll be 3 plus 4. But I'm gonna multiply it now. When the power is and the base are the same, you add them.
So I D.
Oh, we section
Alright,
D.
time for the ugly part, you know. The ugly part.
Okay, I can't have something for this, man. Jesus.
Yes, I say.
Okay, I can't have graph for this. I'm gonna read it first. He said, show our working. Kyle and Jason watch a children's bicycle and tricycle parade during the summer festival. They agreed to keep the count of the number of cycles and the number of wheels as the children parade passed by. At the end of the parade, Kyle declared he had counted 17 tricycles and Jason said he had counted 43 wheels. How many bicycles and how many tricycles are at the parade? Now, this is a PEP question, very tough question. Oh, boy. So what we know about tricycles? I'm gonna make bicycle be X and tricycle be Y. All right.
Sorry, I joke, I know.
So we know the bicycle have two wheels. Well, I know bicycle have 2 wheels and tricycle have 2 wheels. So we could say X, but we know that the number of bicycle plus the number of tricycle equal to 7. Let me see what at the end of the parade declared that they had counted 17 tricycles. And my youth the same counted 43 wheels. All right, so we know say bicycle have 2 wheels plus 3 wheels.
How much bicycle we have? We have 2 wheels and tricycle have 3.
All of them put together, you know. Make up the 43, you know.
So it's a bicycle have 2.
Yeah, and tricycle
have 3.
Yeah. So I can multiply this by 2 and see what we get. So we're going to do this by 2. I want space to, you know, I don't know what to. Let me try to make it work. So we get 2x plus 2. 17 times 2, that's 34.
So we had to know.
Now solve it. We don't get it yet. And we multiply by 1 now.
So we do you change them out? You add this 2 and the 3. You add the 2 up as sample. So we had to up as no.
You know, follow me lead, you know. All right, so let me tell you how much tricycle. So we're going to subtract now, right?
Yeah, follow you, but me wonder what you do.
So 2 minus 3, that's a negative y. And then this. What is 34 minus 43? That's a 9, right?
Negative 9, sir.
Yeah, but so you have 9 tricycle. How y was tricycle? So 9.
So him have 9, positive 9 tricycle.
Yeah. So 9 3s are 27. All right. So how much bicycle now? We can't find how much bicycle easy.
Yeah, put it in our equation then.
Yeah, but we can't reason out this logically. How much in all? Then they say.
In the
Remember, sir, 17 cycles, right? So 8 bicycles. Because if I subtract 17 minus 9, that gives 8, no so? Yeah, all right. So a 9 tricycle. You know, focus, you know, on 8 bicycle.
So me not focus?
No, I don't think so.
Why is that?
Because me I tell you, say them count in all and get 17. Right? Wait, let me take that card. Hi, good night. Hello? Hi, good night. How are you? I'm okay. You? Yeah, man, I realize. Yeah, I know. Yes, that is next week. Wednesday? Or well, next Wednesday. I remember it is, it will mess up with it. But it will be next Wednesday. But honestly, yeah, but we not decided because the persons them not finish contacting me. But by weekend we can tell you. But I'm not sure yet. So we just have to do the registration process now. Yeah, man, it will be 2,000 for the 2 days. Okay. Okay. Yeah, man, we determine. If you see him now function, you have to go pull him out and make him do what he do. Sometimes I just see basic them all. Yeah, man, that is me. That's where I work. No, I'm saying that's where I live. Because why? That means that we can arrange and make him come in physically then. Yeah. But because of the COVID, I'm not there at the school now because yeah. Okay. All right, me define class now. So we gonna talk to him, but if can come in physically, man, we can arrange that. We never know same the close by. All right. All right, yeah. Sorry about that, Gab. You know a thing already. In high demand, All right. So it said, if Mr. Jones bought 30 pence at $30 each, so see there? And 15 pence at $Y each, so 15Y. The total cost would be $2.85, right? And then, if, however, she had bought 15 pence, so God, why is that small up so? I have pepper sensitive, That's here by my apple. So if she buy 15 pence, plus 30 pence, so you just have to turn it around. The cost would have been 210. So that are two simultaneous equation. You just write back what they give you, right? 30 pence, the first one, and 15 pence. And then 15 by 30. You see? As remember, pen and X, them give you that. And pencil and Y, then give that. So these are 2 marks. It says solve these equations to determine the cost of the pen and the pencil. I guess you're going to use a calculator for this. Check if
Hmm?
check, you have to use a calculator for this. Check if 15 can go into 285.
Hmm. Yes, sir. 19 times.
All right. So we're going to divide. Check if it 210 can be divided by 15 without a remainder.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we are going to divide everything by 50. We are using brain, you know. When I just start exam, go multiply 50 times whatever. We are using brain. We are divide everything by 50. Small equation. This is a give we.
Sir, so this have to be, that part have to be.
We are finding out the pen them, yeah.
So not so long.
So we need the space cover. So we divide everything, so that will give it 2x plus y. How many times you say go in here?
I think 19, maybe.
Remember that thing, man, that's right.
19, sir.
Yeah. Remember, if this wrong, everything will go wrong. And then this give x, and that give 2y. And all of that equal. How much they say this work out to? 12?
14.
14. So solve it from there, so no. We can multiply this equation 1 by 1.
And the one about
Yeah, forget rid of x. So 1 times that will give that back 2y. 2x rather, sorry.
2x y
Equal 19.
19. And then 2x
plus 4y equal 28, right?
is the
So bam, we subtract to get rid of y, x. This is like with
yeah,
two.
So yeah, get rid of
X.
Mm-hmm.
So 28 subtract 19 subtract 28.
All right, so 19 subtract 20, you get negative 9, sir.
All right, so that means a y
So that
actually.
will not be, no, will not be true.
Yeah. So y actually, what was y again? So $3 for whatever. Why was what? The pen or the pencil?
Why are they, why, eh?
Or the pencil, yeah. So $3 for one pencil.
Yes.
So we can substitute now. 2x plus 3 equal 19, right? And then now we subtract.
All right, sir, may I tell you no. 16, no. 2x man equals 6. So 8, sir.
8 for what? Yeah.
X equal 8.
And you can check it in a calculator if it works out. 30 times 8, that's what? 240. And 15 times 3, that's a 45. That's all. You check it?
Sir, me can make my friend them join your class.
You never tell us them join from day one. Yes. Just send them this up, I'm sending. But as you look out for your friend name after me tell you, ask them from today and still never ask them.
Forgot.
You are the best, man. All right.
Sir, we are sir, we are no. Sir, 2018 paper this though.
I have no idea. Remember, I said, me just, you know, look on them, you know, me just.
I look so. All right, sir, go on until if they feel for join, then join. If they don't want to join.
That them say?
Yeah. No, sir, nobody not answer me yet, so you say go on until.
All right. Oh, I don't know paper, you know. All right. So it's a factorize completely. So factorize mean the highest common factor, right? So we're going to take out the highest number. You can go in at 2 and 10, which is 2. So that'll be 2.
2, sir.
Yeah.
2 alone, sir.
Of course, there's no P on this, so why you think we have to take out P? Our common, you know. P is not
Minus
in.
5.
Yeah. All right.
And that one, there's a difference of 2 squares.
Yeah. Awesome. Awesome, my friend. So what that? 11?
Yes, sir, and that's a 60 square. And you say 11 plus 60 square.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome.
The one here that be minus, you realize? Because
Yes, sir. So one of them are minus and one are plus.
Yeah, yeah.
It no matter how you write them, sir.
Once at the 36 I go be negative in the end, it's fine. So we can factorize it just as it is. Oh, they send me today. Lord Jesus.
Sir, we never know for it go that.
Awesome, please.
Alright, me I send it today, sir, and I pay me no mind.
We have class, so
I know, sir.
yeah. So that'll be 3. Me do a video. Me deliberately do a video with it, you know, you didn't see it. That's sample.
No, I say not that's right.
So this times this. Remember when the power?
Jesus, sir. So not that me house, sir.
No. Oh, remember about the minus. It's not.
God.
It's not that hard. I'm gonna show you something. You're gonna see the answer. If I'm even, where everybody? All right, let's talk about that. That's a minus, right? 3x times that. I'm gonna give it 3x. 2x times this. I'm gonna give it 2x cubed, right? And 2 4s 8. So we get 8x squared.
Sir.
Yeah, you didn't have this.
You know, say you're a joker.
Yes, you are. You add
You
a
know
negative.
that.
You add negative x.
No, sir.
So we add 3
sir,
and 2.
Military sit down and
You did wrong. What you saying me wrong? Even though I'm busy in my class, me know say it wrong.
sir, all right.
I'm
It's all
ignorant.
right. It's all
Look
right.
on the video when we do to. With the video I upload today. And then we can put this, I call it a 8
It's all right.
I'm not lying. And then we minus 3x. Remember, say we can't add or subtract unlike terms, all right? All right, so that's the answer. We're done with it. All right, this now, it says solve. So we just expand and then we group the like terms. We can treat this like an equal sign.
That 3 marks with it?
Yes. If I saw them say. So them say book. 4 times 3, that's a 12. X. 4 ones, 4. Space small, do you know that's the problem? All right, 2 times that 2x minus 2 times 3, 6.
Yeah, let me always not see a screen.
No. It's a cheering. What else you do?
Me I see it now, sir. 12x plus
It
4.
update today, you know. So you know, so in time I update a be a foolish idiot and put on it. All right, so we group the like terms now. So the x I will go over here, so it will be the 2x I will go with the 12x. Minus 2x.
So minus 2x and then positive
No, negative
4.
6. And when you carry it over here, so it become minus 4. No. And then now, 2 times 2 minus that give you 10x. Less than negative 10. And we divide by 10, right?
Why not done yet?
No, because you have to solve.
So
You have to
x
solve x less than negative 1. And them say represent the power graph, which is the answer here. X less than negative 1. I guess you have to have graph paper. So this is what you're going to do. Put negative 1. Or 0 there, so. Right? And it's a x less than negative 1. So what you're going to do? Draw one dotted line. Where negative 1 there. For sure, so just less than. And yeah. No. And then you shade over that side, right? This is the last one. Oh my
Sir,
God. How much space we have, man? How much space then is a joke thing?
Sir, go
Right.
back over that. We never get it.
Gabriel, are you sleeping? After you solve, x is less than negative 1.
Sir, the graph part me I talk about, you know.
You just show them x less than negative 1. So you put negative 1 for your graph, you put 0, positive 1, and this are 2. All the values less than negative.
Sir, that's a negative 2.
So you find negative 1, put one dotted line. Don't draw the line like this. We talked about it already. You draw one dotted line like so. To show that it's just less than, no less than or equal to the index. So after you draw the dotted line like so, you just shade so. Because it will go to infinity. All of them values they're less than 1. Negative 2 less than 1. Negative 3, negative 4.
Oh God, sir. Sorry, I'm up on the screen so far.
Yeah. Because you say now I get it. All right. X minus 5 is equal to, divide by 2 is equal to 1. You don't have to work out that, you know. Just think about it. Of course. Listen to this. Which number?
When you minus, when you minus it from 5 and 2 and divide by 2, get 1.
Yeah. When you minus 5 from it, divide it by 2 and you get 1.
Which number that?
Tell me.
We.
X after the 7. Watch out. 7 minus 5. Not 2.
Sir.
But make work it out.
Sir, no.
Easy.
Business, sir.
Yeah, work it out.
Sir, that don't give no one.
How can I get rid of this 2? We want to get rid of the 2 and the negative 5. How we can get rid of that? What's the inverse of negative 2? Divide by 2.
Yeah, go multiply.
Here come. One liter.
Where leave my food now?
I mean, I joke, you know. Oh, what's the inverse of dividing by 2?
Sorry, no more.
Multiply. By 2. Yeah.
Sorry, I said me a joker. How me I do, sir?
So you get rid of this by multiplying by 2. So we're left with x minus 5. 1 times 2. What inverse of
Two,
negative
sir.
5?
Positive 5.
All right. So x.
So that's a 10.
What? A plus
7, sir.
And yo. Anyway, let me stop the recording because you're a real joker, you know.
Sir, so you have to record for saying, no,